लास्ट वीडियो में क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे। Question number one. How did Hazrat Asma's action during the migration demonstrate her resourcefulness and courage? Provide specific examples from the next text. Hazrat Asma radiallahu ta'ala anha demonstrated her resourcefulness by preparing food for the journey and tying it on the camel's back with her own belt. She also showed courage by secretly traveling through rugged mountains to deliver foods to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam while fearing detection. Qualities of Hazrat Asma radiallahu ta'ala anha be applied to the contemporary situation of trust and integrity. Provide a real life example. Showed integrity by not revealing the location of her father and the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to Abu Jahl despite being slapped. This highlights the importance of trustworthiness in difficult situations. 3. Summarize the key challenges that Hazrat Asma faced during the migration and how overcame them. Answer. Hazrat Asma radiallahu ta'ala anha faced the challenges of secretly traveling to deliver the food under the threat of being catched. She also had to deal with the pressure of maintaining secrecy when questioned by Abu Jahl. Question number 4. In what ways did Hazrat Asma radiallahu ta'ala anha handle the trust placed in her by her father and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? How did her actions ensure the safety and success of migration? Answer. Hazrat Asma radiallahu ta'ala anha honored the trust placed in her by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and her father Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu by safeguarding the food and ensuring the secrecy of their whereabouts. Her actions directly contributed to safe migration. Question number 5. Reflects on Hazrat Asma's self-discipline during the preparation and execution of the migration. How did her self-discipline contribute to her effective handling of difficult situations? Answer. Hazrat Asma radiallahu ta'ala anha demonstrated self-discipline by ensuring the food was properly packed and making dangerous journey every night to deliver it. Her consistency in fulfilling the responsibility showed great self-control and commitment. Question number 6. How did Hazrat Asma radiallahu ta'ala anha show respect for herself and others throughout the events described in the text? Provide specific examples to support your analysis. Answer. Hazrat Asma radiallahu ta'ala anha showed respect by maintaining her dignity in the face of abuse from Abu Jahl and by handling her grandfather's concern the patience. She acted with wisdom and respect in every situation. In what ways did Hazrat Asma radiallahu ta'ala anha demonstrate respect for her grandfather even though he was a disbeliever at that time? How did this respect align with her values and belief? Answer. Hazrat Asma radiallahu ta'ala anha showed respect for her grandfather by confirming him when he expressed his concern about the family's wealth even though he was a disbeliever. This respect for her grandfather reflected her values of kindness and family loyalty.